Alright, and now I show it my favorite no stop card trick. And now I search for cards, maybe for ace. Ace of spades, hearts, clubs and diamonds. Clubs and diamonds. It's really true. Diamonds, clubs, hearts and spades. It's really true, it's really for ace. And now spectator, stop anytime, maybe your card 6 of hearts. 6 of hearts, putting her like this. Alright. And now I take this for aces. Diamonds, hearts, clubs and spades. It's really true. Spades, diamonds, hearts and clubs. Look, 4 ace. Maybe your card here? No? Yes. 4 ace change 1 card. It's really crazy because your cards 6 of hearts. It's really crazy. And now I shuffle these cards and search ace number 1, maybe like this. Wow. And now I shuffle these cards, maybe like this, and ace number 2, like this. Wow. And now I shuffle these cards and spectator take any cards. Maybe your cards 10 of diamonds. And now I shuffle these cards. Oh, this is ace of hearts. It's really not bad. And now I shuffle these cards like this and spectator take any cards. Maybe here. It's really free, it's really no force. You take really any cards and now search ace of spades. Ace of spades, ace of spades, ace of spades, ace of spades. Really no. Because this one card face down. It's your cards. Ace of spades. Guys, look my German pass. Look. You take 1 card, maybe 10 of hearts. Remember these cards. Squeeze, snap your finger and your cards. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable no setup card trick. It's really my favorite, it's really amazing, it's really nice card routine. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now. Of course, share this video with your friend magician. Why not? Maybe your friend really magician. Look, king of spades, putting her like this, snap my finger, and king of spades, jump. And now take your deck and teach unbelievable card routine. Let's go. So you take any cards. Maybe you take 7, maybe 10, maybe jack, queen. I take 4 ace. Ace of spades, ace of diamonds, hearts and clubs. You take this 4 ace, show it this 4 ace, hearts, clubs, diamonds and spades. It's really true, right? It's really free. So, the next step, you squeeze this 4 ace and now you make a break like this. You break your right hand, this 4 ace like this. Look, you show it this 4 ace, squeeze, and now use this finger, make a break this 4 ace like this, right? It's really easy break, you take this pile 4 ace like this. The next step, you make a break and spectator stop anytime. Maybe here it's really free, it's not force. You take these cards and show it like this. This is king of clubs. And next step, you drop it this pile, your break. Alright, this is 4 ace. You control it this 4 ace. Alright, I repeat, show it 4 ace, make a break, make a dribble, stop, turn over these cards, show it these cards, and drop it this pile. And next step, you turn over these cards, and now this pile, take little pile, maybe like this, and now make a break. Make a dribble, I'm sorry. Alright. And now you control it this 7 of hearts, top of the deck. Alright. And next step, you take this 4 ace and move it like this. You make it display these 4 cards like this. And now your left hand count 3 cards. 1, 2, 3 and make a break. And save it your break. Alright. And next step, you make a switch. Your left hand move it these 3 cards like this. Alright. It's really easy. You take these 3 cards, this finger and this, and move it like this. And this 4 ace, drop it these 3 cards like this and squeeze. And now you take 1, 2, 3, 4 ace. Of course, this is your cards, 2 random cards and 1 ace. And squeeze these 4 cards and take 1 card because this is 7 of hearts. Left hand show it these 2 cards. This is king of clubs, 2 of hearts. Squeeze, your right hand move it like this and show it this 1 card. And show it this cards, of course this is your card 7 of hearts. It's really nice, it's really unbelievable. Alright. And next step, your left hand count 3 cards. 1, 2, 3, and make a break. And now you transfer these 3 cards bottom of the deck. Look, use this finger count 1, 2, 3 cards, make a break. Take this your break like this, and now your left hand take little pile, make move it like this, and now you take this pile and drop it like this. All right. Of course, you make a double undercut, and now 3 ace heel, 1 ace heel. All right. The next step in production is ace of hearts. Look, you take this ace of hearts and now make move it like this. You slide this ace of hearts like this. All right. And next step, use this finger, take this ace, and now you push it this ace like this, and now ace of hearts shot this pile. All right. Look, it's really nice. It's really easy production. It's really amazing. Look, take 1 card and now push it this corner and 1 card shot. It's really cool. Right, next step in production, ace of clubs. You make any full shuffle, right? Look, you make swing cut, take little pile, make a break, shuffle your break, save with your break, take little pile, take your break, and this pile drop it like this. Of course, 3 ace heel. All right. The next step in production is ace of clubs. You take little pile, make move it like this, and now your production is ace of clubs like this. Your right hand takes this pile like this, you make move it like this, right? And production is ace of clubs. I repeat, take little pile, and production ace of clubs. It's really amazing, right? And now you take any cards, maybe here it's really no force, it's really random cards, and now you make a change. Maybe you make a shake change, why not, all right? It's really easy. You take these 2 cards, take these 2 cards like this, and now you make a shake change like this, and drop it these cards. All right, it's ace number 3. The next step, you count 2 cards, make a break, and save with your break. And now you make a repeat double undercut. You take a little pile, drop it like this, take your break and put in her like this. Of course, it's ace of spades here. And now spectator take any cards, maybe here, and now you squeeze this pile, take this pile like this, and now your right hand takes this ace of spades like this. And now you turn over this pile and take this ace of spades, look. And now this ace of spades here. And this pile turn over like this. Of course, you forced this ace of spades. I repeat, take any cards, maybe here, and turn over like this. Now make a spread, search ace of spades, of course, ace of spades here. It's really easy, it's really cool. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.